Hey guys, so today we're gonna do a oil change for a 2011 Acura TSX. Don't mind the Honda grill. This is an Acura. You're gonna need a oil catch can, your filter wrench, a ratchet, your new filter, a funnel, as well as the new oil and a 17mm socket. Your bolt is gonna be right there, right next to the filter. I already loosened it, so this should just come out like that. Now you're gonna wanna loosen this cap right here, so it can flow down. Next thing you're gonna need is your filter wrench, your ratchet. You're gonna take this filter off. Now we're gonna put the bolt back on. So now we're gonna tighten the filter. Now you're gonna grab your 5W20 and fill it up. There you go. And that's how you do an oil change on a 2011 Acura TSX. Don't mind the Honda logo.